Rotate it, rotate the bike.
Yeah, rotate it this way. Yeah, rotate it. Yeah, rotate it. Ha, go more.
Just pick it up now. Pick it up now.
Wait, sorry. Hey, help me here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Push it, go.
You good?
Yeah.
Take a breather, no stress. I could hear it.
Oh shit, the stone, yeah. Sorry, that's enough.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, yeah!
Hey, it's not in gear. Put it in gear. Handbrake. Okay.
3, 2, 1, yeah!
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You need a push?
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Wait with Peter. Keep going, don't wait. ऊपर से ना T junction रोड आएगी राइट से. You have to go left, wait there. Okay. Throttle.
Drag it out of the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, from there. Yeah. Pull it.
One second. Get into it.
Yeah. Pull it out from here.
One second. Come. Pick it up.
Yeah, 1 second.
Push.
Go. One, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, there.
Here.
You got it? Do you have your bike, Javed?
Yeah. Yeah, the speed.
Okay, ready? Gas.
The sand of Purne. Go. Keep going, don't change the track. Now paddle. Use your feet. Don't try and stand. Just paddle through. I'll move that stone. Paddle. Walk the bike. Keep paddling.
Pick the stand up. Pick the stand up. Yeah. Now get on the bike. Yeah. There.
Which way to go?
Just follow this inside line.
Which one? Inside?
Inside. Don't get into this middle. Just follow this.
Outside.
Okay. Give it power. Leave the clutch. Give it power. Power, 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 power. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Same thing, come on.
Yeah.
Do you want to reduce the tire pressure now, sir?
Yeah.
Well, she's lying down, it's comfortable, do it.
No, because moving.
The Beamer has this problem.
And moves too much. The
Bus.
wheel was moving around too much. So.
It will move too much. What I suggest is put it in a rut. Out there you'll find a rut and paddle. Because you'll be low, your feet will touch the ground. Go up tractor style.
Is that what? Should I stand and go?
No. You can paddle, your legs are long.
Yeah. Paddle and go.
Paddle.
Whoa.
It's fine. Now is the problem.
Dude, I had it. Huh? I had it. Fucking I had it. I looked to the rut edge.
Come. One more. Where are we pushing, sir?
We're getting it up
Okay, fine.
and then we'll roll it back into the rut.
Okay. Watch your foot. Huh? It's in gear or no?
Yeah, it's in first.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Now
Thank you.
let it.
So we seem to have lost the knob on the gear lever now. Earlier in the day the stand switch broke.
And the side stand extender is also gone.
The side stand extender has left the building.
I lost the crash bung on the left side. Is that a problem?
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah? It's still. Everything is still solid, yeah?
Yeah, hopefully.